So today we're gonna do something very exciting. Now this is exciting for me because I think Sunday is a day when you're supposed to do every single thing which you miss out on other days of the week. And so I thought that I would sit down today and I would do this video. So what is it? So this is about a product which I received like about 2 weeks ago, and this product is from Arata Zero Chemicals. So when I received this I would say this when I received this product in my inbox, so at that particular moment I checked about this particular brand and learned a lot of things about it. And when I opened the box, so when I actually unboxed it, I discovered a product which I've never ever used. And what was it? So the product was a hair gel. So I believe that a hair gel is a product which boys are supposed to use, and I would say that I had developed this biased opinion because anyone around me never ever used a hair gel. So I never thought of using myself, and then there were people, like especially girls, who were not using it. So boys do use it. My brother uses a hair gel. So today I am going to try this hair gel on my hair and see whether this product works for me or not. But before that, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my beautiful family yet, then you really need to do by clicking on the subscribe button down below, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated every time I post a video. Yes, so let's start. So I'm going to do a very easy and simple hairstyle, something that will be very party friendly, and the hairstyle is that I'm going to mid-part my hair and then I am going to turn it into a sleek wet look. It's a kind of look that Deepika Padukone wears on most of her dresses, and yeah, all of us adores it, but it's so difficult to carry that look, or you could say that hairstyle. Although my makeup is not that loud for that kind of hairstyle, but I think I'm gonna try it. Now I have my comb and I am just going to mid-part my hair. Now usually if you just mid-part your hair and take it behind your ears, so that way you do not get that sleek or wet look. So I'm going to use it, and as it is written over here that you have to use a generous amount of it, not a lot of it, so I'm going to take a bit. So here it is, and I'm going to rub it into my hands. The smell is really different, and I feel it smells like a shampoo, but then it's a hair product. So I'm going to just scrunch it up into my hair, and then I'm going to work upon the hairstyle. So it's about evenly distributing it in your hair. Baby as I have, so we'll see whether it works on it or not. Take a bit of it, just a bit of it one last time, and I think because the gel is 100% natural, that is why it has a little bit less hold than the other gels available in the market, and that is why I have to use a lot of it, because every website that I checked, it said that you have to use just a small amount of it, not a lot of it, but I've used a lot of it, as you could have seen in the video. But keeping that aside, my motive or mission was to get that wet look, that sleek look, and that hair pushed behind. I think I'm able to achieve it, and yes, so as I told you guys, my makeup is not that loud and the outfit is not that appropriate, but this is just the kind of party hairstyle that you can take to a Christmas party or any other event that you are trying to attend. So I am very happy with the way the look has turned out. And yes, so if you guys want to know any more than this about the products, you can go and check it out on the official website of Arata. So I'm going to leave a link of that down in the description box below. And yes, do not forget to subscribe my channel to watch more such videos, and do not forget to like, comment and share if you loved watching me. And that's it guys. And one last thing, if you have used a hair gel and you are very experienced unlike me, so please leave a comment down below about your experience with hair gels. And that's it. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.